Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to learn how to add translation to any website for free using Google, right? Of course, there is an option where you can pay and have like better experience, or there are other third-party libraries you can use to translate your website, but we just going to go with the easiest way, right? So without further ado, join me in this video as we get started. So here we have our website. Just got some dummy landing page, right? So we are going to try to add translations to this landing page here. And so how we're going to go about it, it's quite simple. We got the HTML file, right? So this is where we have like our HTML code, and this is the header also. Okay, in this case, let's just try to add it somewhere here, right after the logo. So maybe, so the first thing we might want to do, you have to have a div, right? So let's create div, and the class will be Google Translate element. Okay, so in fact this won't be a class, it will be an ID. After adding this, the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and paste our JavaScript, right? So just go ahead and paste this code maybe below. If you want, you can paste it inside here, right? But not, of course, forgetting to like add the JavaScript tags. And the next thing we are going to do is paste our other script. So I'll add these scripts in the description, and also, yeah. So we have added, first of all, the ID tag to the header that is here, right? And we are now getting that element, getting it by the ID in here. Google Translate, we've created a function. You can call it anything you want, probably, like it won't matter really, because we're just passing this attribute here. So Google Translate element unit, and then we create a new function, and then we instantiate the translate element and we pass it this object here, and yeah, and that's all. And the next thing that we're going to do is testing out our code, right? So this is our translate element. As you can see, we have different kind of languages. So let's try to change the language. If we change this language, you can see that the language is changed in here. And yeah, there's in fact almost all the languages that you may need here. You can change to this, any language here, and your website is going to change. If you want, you can customize it, but yeah, it's up to you. So guys, changing a language in your website is just as easy as going about any easy thing on it, and any additional feature. You may of course customize this feature. You may check out also the Google Translate APIs. If you want, you can pay and have some much more functionality to your Translate API. So this is how to do it, guys. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.